What up, everybody? It is Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. Cheers, everybody. We are talking about our $100 crypto budget right now. So after you like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. I also got a laser pen. Fun fact. So watch your eyes. The moose is loose. He's on coffee. He may attack. Nobody knows. You don't want to know. You don't want to know. So, Cardano, 33 cents. Today is March 12th. I'm filming ahead of time because I'm busy, right? I got hundreds of people hitting me up asking me, hey, what do I buy next? You know, so I got to dodge people throughout the day, and I just got to do this in advance. I don't have time. You know, family members calling me, hey, just send me some Bitcoin. I'm not sending you Bitcoin. I ain't sending you anything, okay? I'll tell you how to buy Bitcoin, but that's it. So, you got $100. This is 100 Canadian dollars. 100. Boom. What do you do with it? Well, you don't hold the 100. Okay? You don't want the fiat. Research fiat. You're going to be blown away. It's garbage. Sure, it's good if you want to go out. You're going out with the boys. You're getting some drinks. But other than that, it's not an investment. Okay? Buy crypto. Let it go down 80%. That's an investment, right? I'm joking. So $100, what would I put it into? Well, number one's Cardano, right? And I'm being serious now. All right, let's take a look. Let's say you genuinely saved $100. For those of you, that's a lot. Maybe you've never invested before. I would probably, I'm just going to be straight up because $100 is a lot. So, like $100 isn't a lot when you have fees. So I would just pick one or two coins. You're not going to over diversify. You got to pay $20 to basically get in, in terms of fees. If you're even going to put it, if you're going to put in $100, you're probably going to have to pay 5% just in fees to move funds over. So you want to get into something that's going to go up a lot. So Cardano is going to be smart because you could 10x that and turn it into 1,000. That would be big for a lot of you. So what I would do, I would take $60. This is just what I would do. I'm not telling you to do it. Take 60, put it on Cardano. Okay? So we're taking $60 and we're going to buy some Cardano. So for example, we'll even look at how much that is in USD. So let's say we're on MinSwap. This is just to give us a little bit of an idea. So can't get that much. So there we go. 180 Cardano. That's what you can get roughly. Okay. And then what I would do is I would take $40. Okay. 40. And this is what I would do. So maybe I would take 100, buy all of it in Cardano. So let me explain to you what I would do. You're going to take $100, put on Cardano. Okay, so that's going to be roughly, what is it, 6,400 ADA almost? No, not that much. So you're going to buy 300 ADA, and then you're going to swap some of it for MELD. Okay, can't get that much. So what you're going to do is you're going to buy $25 worth of MELD. Okay, because it's very cheap. MELD, you have the opportunity to get massive gains. This could go to $1. Okay, next bull run. Okay, we're just having fun with this. So you're gonna buy $100 worth of Cardano. You're going to connect your wallet. I've done videos on this, not that hard to do. So if I were to really strip this down, you're going to go to Nami, set up a wallet, so it will look like this. Okay. And then you're going to buy some tokens. You can connect this wallet to JPEG Store and then buy it. Or you could use a Crypto.com app. I have videos on how to buy ADA. You should know how to do that by now. But this is what I would do. I would buy 300 Cardano. I would trade 75 ADA and get 1,500 MELD. And then what I would do is I would take maybe another $20, $25 and I would get some Kopi. So let's look at Kopi. How much Kopi could we get? Not that much. Maybe 800 Kopi about. So that's what I would do. That's what I would do. And this is just what makes sense to me. I'm not telling you to do this. Comment down below if you agree with what I've done. Okay? Man, I'm really taking this serious. Like, this is just what I would do. For example, like, I'm going to do it right now. And I'm going to be doing it throughout the week. But let's say, even for 25 bucks, let's say I want to get some Meld. Meld is so cheap right now. Okay? So let's say I want to get some Meld. Let's do 1,500 Meld. That's going to be 75 ADA. So you're going to hit swap. Boom. And again, this is just extra ADA that I have for the show. And that's how it works. So again, you're just going to connect your wallet. Mine's already been connected. It's not that hard to do. Very simple. Again, if you're confused, go to Crypto Moose on the channel. I have videos on it. You could even type in, for example, Meld. I probably have a video. How to buy Meld. There you go. How to get Meld tokens. I just showed you swiftly. And again, you can see your order going through. So that's what I would do. We figured that out in a short amount of time there. So that's what I would do. 100%. I would effectively just buy Meld. I would buy some Meld. But first, buy Cardano. Connect your wallet. Allocate 25 to 50% of it for Meld and Kopi. You could just get one or the other. Ultimately, you want to research projects. Don't just listen to me and being like, oh, he's buying Meld. He owns a ton of Meld. He's got 50,000 Kopi. So like, don't just do what I do. Research. Make your own decision. The goal of this channel is for you to enjoy crypto because you understand it. Right? Don't be skeptical. Be skeptical, but learn things. So when things come out, you're like, oh, this is real. This is true. Things become more obvious as you practice, right? So let's do a quick refresh. Let's see if this transaction's gone through. So if we go to my wallet now, we don't see Meld there, but it's probably just not reflected yet. But yeah, we have what, under one Meld? Yeah, it hasn't happened yet. So anyways, this order is going to take a bit of time, but that's how you will do it. So that's what I would do with the $100. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you think I made a mistake, and let me know what you would have done differently. So that's all we have for you. Moose is loose, and the moose is out.